Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy DIYs from the dollar store quarantine edition. So let's get started. And all the items you'll be seeing are things I already had at home. Okay, so I want to start with my favorite and the most easiest one of all. This super cute floral arrangement with a Dior logo. So what I used is this perfume box that I had, and you can use anything that has a logo like this. You can even print it out. You will also need some faux flowers. These I got from the Dollar Tree. These are the peonies. And you can use any flowers, or you can even put some makeup brushes. And you will also need a vase. I found this one that I had already. It's a glass square one. So I went ahead and just cut the logo with an X-Acto knife. So just be very careful to stay within the lines. And I got some double-sided tape on the back, and I'm just going to glue it on the side towards the middle of the vase. And now I'm just going to add my flowers, but like I said, you can put makeup brushes, you can use it for jewelry. It's really up to you. I just really like the look of the flowers. And this is such an easy DIY. I'm sure you have either a perfume box or a bag with a logo that you like that you can use for this DIY. So for the second DIY, I'm using this thankful sign that I found during the Thanksgiving time at the Dollar Tree. You might be able to find something now at Dollar Tree, but you can substitute it with anything you have, a piece of wood. I found this paint at Target. It's acrylic and it's the color Tulip. It's a really pretty pink. You will also need these self-adhesive hooks, which I already had as well. And here I started to paint the sign, but the paint wasn't as thick, or it wasn't really covering the sign. So I went ahead and spray painted the sign white first, and then I went back and painted the sign with the pink acrylic paint. So after you let that dry, you just need to check the back to see where the hook is so you can hang it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the hooks. These are perfect because they do come with the glue already, so you just peel off the back. What I did, I went ahead and just measured the middle of this sign, and then I just placed the other hooks on the sides. But if you want to be exact, you can just go ahead and measure everything and space it perfectly. But anything will work. Once you stick these on, it's pretty hard to take off, so just make sure that you are placing it where you want it to be. So here is a close-up of the finished book, and I think it looks perfect. It was basically just $2 to make. I had the paint already from Target, but you can see how awesome it looks. I just went ahead and hanged all my necklaces, and I'm thinking of making more of these so that I can just have rows and rows of them. I think they look perfect, super cute and adorable. You can also use it for kids' jewelry. It's super easy to make. So for the third and last DIY, I found this splatter screen. I had it for a while. What I went ahead and did, I removed the top of it, like the handle. I just went ahead and cut it, and I painted it with a spray paint. I think it was like a rose gold color. So I went ahead and just covered where I cut off the handle with some flowers. And I also added a ribbon to the top where I could go ahead and hang it from. I'm not sure what happened to that clip, but it's really easy. You just add it on the top. You'll see right now on the clip what I did. And then I went ahead and placed all my earrings on the screen. So here you can see the ribbon I added on the sides where I put the flowers. It's super easy, you can just glue it. And you have a jewelry holder for just under $1 or $2. It's super cute, and you can add any type of earring, and it's a really cute display for your jewelry. So let me know which one of these is your favorite. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other video that I'll be uploading. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.